So hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we will see how to make a scroll effect. So as you can see on my screen, I have a background which is a video in fact, and when I will scroll, the video will play. You can see the video is playing frame by frame as I am scrolling. You can see on the right hand side over here, when I am scrolling, the video is playing with the scroll. So in this video, we will see exactly how to make this effect. You will learning, and this is very simple. You just need like one or two JavaScript functions. That's all, and it will be a short video, not a long one, because it is just a short tutorial. This is very simple. So let's see how you can make this type of effect. It is a pretty cool effect. So let's hop in the VS Code and see how it is done. So let's close this document over here, and as you will see, I have index.html and two videos. In fact, the first one which I have shown in the intro is this one, which is 8 seconds long, and the second one is this one. I will show you both the videos because they have the different uh, lens over here. This one is 25 seconds long. So let's see how it is done. So first of all, let's add your boilerplate. Then in the body tag, let's just add a h1 tag over here. Okay, just to fill the gaps, and I will make some paragraphs. Okay, just to you can like scroll. So I will do some like lorem 500, something like that. Let's just format document. So as you can see, it's a pretty long paragraph, and what I will do, I'll just copy this few more times. So yeah, there are four paragraphs on the right hand side. You can see over here. Let's just zoom out. No, that was fine. And let's add some style over here. Now, first of all, let us see what our website is looking like. So yeah, this is our website. Um, Now what I will do, I will just increase the text size, and let's add just a small amount of CSS. I will just do the margin 0 and padding 0 for all the elements. And what I will do next is the text size, or you can say the font size. I will increase it, let's say 1.5 rem. I think this will be good enough. Then that's it. Let's see what our website is looking like. So yeah, so as you can see on the right hand side, we have pretty much to scroll over here. So that's what we want. And now let's add our video. So in the out just after the body tag, I will add the video over here. So the video tag is this video, and in the src, I will add the this one over here, width 3. So as you can see, width3.mp4, and I will give it an ID so that we can grab this element in the JavaScript. So ID, let's say width, simply width. Okay, that's all. And in this CSS, what I will do, I will target this width over here, and first of all increase this width to 100%, and then I will set the position of it to fixed, and then also z index, let's say -1. So let's see how the video is looking like. So yep, as you can see, our video is covering the whole website and it is behind the text. So now to see the video clearly, what I will do, just make the text transparent. So I will just do transparent over here. So now you can clearly see the video, and yep, I know this is not moving. So let's add the main part, which is a JavaScript. So come down over here after the body tag. Let's add a script tag real quick, and in this we will add few variables over here. The first variable will be full height. Okay, let's make the h capital. So what this variable will do, let's first add the value over here. So I will write document dot body, okay, and dot scroll height. So as you can see, this one. So what will this value give us? This will give the total height of this website. So if you just scroll this scroll bar from the top to the bottom, the length of the scroll bar, you can see that the length of this, the total distance, the total traveling distance of this scroll bar is the total height, which will this full height will give us. And then I will declare one more variable, let's say inner height. Okay, inner height, and this will be equal to window dot inner height. What this will give us is the height of this window. So you can see the from this top over here and from the bottom. So this is the height it will give. And why we are like calculating these two heights, because we can then just minus this inner height from the full height to get the actual length, to actual the distance traveled by the scroll bar. Because the full height, this over here will give the height of the website, and if we just minus one height of this our screen over here, from that we will get the total distance traveled by the scroll bar. So that's all we want. So now, as I have said, we will minus this inner height from the full height. So I will create another value called final height. Okay. And I will write full height minus inner height. That's all, and this is the value we will be using. Okay, so let's add one more variable called video. This is nothing, this is just the reference to the video tag which we have already added to our HTML. So I will write get element by id and then add this over here. That's all. Now I will make a variable, or you can say a constant over here. Let progress. So I will name this progress and I will set this to 0. So we will be using this progress value to calculate how far the user has come. So now we will add the main function, which is of set interval, and let's add the values over here, and in the bracket I will add 100 milliseconds. So after every 100 millisecond it will run. Now what I will do, I will change the progress value. So what I will add in here, let's just see. I will write window dot page y offset. So here you go, and this page y offset will give the value of exact height where you are. So as you can see, if I just scroll this bit, it will give how much you have scrolled from that to this. Okay, so this will give the like the value of your scroll. So that's what we want, and we will divide this value by the final height. Okay, by the final height. In this way, what we will get a value from 0 to 1. So this progress, you can see over here, this progress will be in 0 to 1. So when will be to 0? When the page offset will be y. So let me just tell you. So if the scroll bar is just up over here, the value of progress will be 0, and if the scroll bar is down over here, the value of progress will be 1. So then we can use that 0 and 1 and all the values in between to like change the frame of the video. So let's do that now, and this is the last part. So what I will do, to change the frame, you can use the like an attribute called current time. So I will write video dot current time. So this is the attribute you will be using to change the frame of the video, so that it will look like you are playing the video while scrolling. And this will be equal to, I will say, progress. And what you need to do, you will just, because the progress will be a value between 0 and 1, you need to multiply it by your website or by your video length. So as you can see over here, the length of the video is 8 seconds, and this value and this current time over here will also be a value in seconds. So I will just multiply it by 8. That's all. You are done with your video effect. So let's save it, and I hope you understand what I have said and how this is calculated. So let's see if this is working or not. So as you can see, the scroll bar is right here in the bottom, and if I just scroll over here, you can see I am just scrolling upwards and the video is playing in reverse, and I just scroll down, you can see the video is playing very smoothly. And if you just ask me why I've written this set interval function, because it will just run every 100 milliseconds, that's because I have tried to insert this function in the Windows scroll action, but that didn't work. So if you have any better solution than this, please let me know in the comments down below. And for this, so yeah, so let's just change the video real quick, and I will show you what it will look like with a like a 25-second video. So I will write over here this video over here, and you can see the length of this video as well. This video is 25 seconds long. So yep, as you can see here. And now what do we need to change? The only the value of this time over here. So 25. That's it. And now let's take a look. So let's scroll down and you can see it is moving pretty smoothly. Okay, so that's all we want. Um, so yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learned something new. And if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment. So that's it for the video, guys. I will see you in the next one.